Hi, if you ever purchased a household appliance, either online or in a showroom, chances are somewhere along the line you've been asked if you wanted to extend the standard warranty. This is quite standard practice. A lot of retailers will ask if you want to extend the warranty. For some people, they're just not interested, but for others, you might be interested in extending the standard warranty because you might have had a problem with a previous appliance. But what I've done is I've come up with 10 things to look at before you sign on the dotted line to extend that warranty. Just before I start, all I'd normally say is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. What I do is I talk about household appliances. I do specialise in vacuums and there's normally a bit of tech in there as well. Although this list is in no particular order, the first one I'm going to mention is probably one of the main ones to look at, and that's to check the standard warranty that comes with the appliance you're about to buy. For quite a few manufacturers, you will find that they come with a longer guarantee than a standard 1 year. Some brands will offer a 3-year standard warranty and other brands will go for a 5-year. You will find some manufacturers will go for, say, a 10-year parts and a 1-year labour. That's not quite a full guarantee. The only reason I mention this is because some retailers will try and hide the fact that the standard warranty on an appliance is actually quite good at either 3 or 5 years. So that's number one on the list. Have a look. You will find that the standard warranty of any product won't have all the bells and whistles that I'm about to talk about, but it's certainly worth considering. Number 2 on the list, does the extended warranty policy that you're about to buy offer new for old? And what I mean by that, if the appliance goes wrong and if it can't be repaired, then will either the insurance company or the retailer exchange it for a new appliance. This is quite important because if it can't be repaired for whatever reason, then ideally you do want a new product. If not, then really you want to know what the procedure is. Number 3, does the policy cover accidental damage? This is something that a standard manufacturer's warranty definitely won't cover, but within a lot of extended warranties, then it will cover accidental damage. And that could be the fact of dropping it, it could be the fact of damaging it. Again, have a look at all the policy details to see what it covers, but accidental damage is actually a really good one to look for. Number 4, if you're looking at purchasing a refrigeration appliance, say a fridge or fridge freezer for example, then does the extended warranty policy cover you for frozen food cover or fresh food cover? This is something that some extended warranty suppliers have actually dropped. I think they found that their claims were quite high during a fault, but it's something certainly to have a look out for, because if your refrigeration appliance goes wrong, then the amount of food in there could be worth quite a lot of money. Number 5 is to check your household contents insurance policy, because what you could find are that some of the elements I've already talked about, and already to talk about in a moment, are already covered in the contents insurance policy that you're already paying for. Number 6, and this is quite an important one, if the product goes faulty and if the either manufacturer or supplier have agreed to exchange the item, who pays for the reinstallation of that product? Is it the retailer? Is it the supplier? Is it yourself? This is something on a freestanding appliance, say a fridge, freezer or a washing machine, it's not too important because the cost to redeliver an item is normally quite low. This is normally very important when it comes to an integrated item, because sometimes what the manufacturer or supplier will do is they will say, there you are, there's your new appliance, but when it comes to exchanging it and bringing the old one back, then that's normally left to yourselves. So just have a look in the policy to see who pays for that. Number 7, are there a limit on the number of claims you can make? Some policies, as soon as you made a claim, then the warranty policy is null and void, that's it, finished. Other warranties, there may be a certain number of claims or a certain monetary value of claims that you can go up to. So that's something else to have a look out for. Number 8, are there certain repair times that the manufacturer or the supplier of the extended warranty are trying to work to? And what I mean by that, if you report that your machine has gone faulty on a certain date, are there certain time frames that the appliance should be fully repaired? That's something to have a look out for, because sometimes you can find if a repair just goes on and on for weeks or even months, then that can be really frustrating. Number 9, check to see if there's a no claim period within the warranty policy. What I mean by this, is there a certain time frame that you have to wait until you can claim on the warranty policy? This can be really important, especially when it comes down to the accidental damage side of the policy, because if, for example, you carried the appliance from the retailer over to your car, and if you dropped it on the way home, then there may be a chance that that might not be covered because there may be a no claim period within the warranty. Number 10 is to check to see whether it's a service plan that you're signing up for with a retailer or manufacturer, or whether it's actually an extended warranty. And there are differences within the small print. I suppose the main disadvantage of going for something like a service plan or say a maintenance contract is if you're going with the retailer, then that's only covered by the retailer. So if that retailer, say, goes bust, then you've lost any of the warranty on that product. If it is through, say, an insurance company, then there is a good chance that that will be covered by, say, the Financial Conduct Authority or the Financial Ombudsman Service. So at least you've got some backup, and then if you do have a fault with the product, then you'll be able to get that sorted. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the 10 things to look at before taking out an extended warranty policy. I know there are a lot of things to look at. It's quite a minefield on everything to look at, but I think what I've covered tend to be the main 10 things before taking out a policy. Taking out a policy is always a personal thing. We do tend to find lots of people, if you've had a fault with a product in the past and if you've had your fingers burnt, then often that's where people will take out a policy. If you've had a very reliable product, I suppose if you've tended to pay a little bit more for your products and if they've been very reliable, then often people won't extend the warranty on a product. So it is always quite a personal thing. Quite a few people are still quite dead against taking them out, and that's entirely up to themselves. But all I would normally say is please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. What I will also say, if you have taken out an extended warranty on a product in the past, let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you had a good experience or a bad experience, then let me know what you think, because I'd always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.